Hey, how's it going, guys? FJ Charles here. Today, I'm going to show you guys a special thing I got in the mail today. It is the 2008 to 2014 AJT design key fob for the FJ Cruiser. I'm sure it's going to work with other makes and models. I believe with some Lexus GX models, as long as you have this style fob, it's going to work for you here. So I'm going to try to walk you guys through the install. I know AJT has their own video, but I decided why not? Let's just make our own too. So you're going to take inventory of what you got. You got 3 bags. One's going to have the actual fob case. Another bag that has the buttons and some shims. I know the shims are going to be used to make your keys sit a little bit more flush inside the casing, and then your screws with provided tools. So let's go ahead and get this started. Let's go ahead and start with your key here, and I went ahead already, undid the single screw there. It's a pretty tiny screw, so make sure you have the right head. Just go ahead and go in there, take it apart. Great, first step's done. Inside the key you'll see the transponder, or electronics, whatever you want to call it. Let's go ahead and just pop that out here. And this one is a little stuck, but we can get that out. There it is. We'll set that to the side. You're going to need that. And the hardest part that I saw is that you have to cut this edge right here to get to free the key. I used my X-Acto knife. I just kind of dug a few holes in there and just ended up using my screwdriver to pry it open like so. So now that that's done, key is out. Perfect. Let's put the yield case to the side. So now we got our transponder, key. It's all going to go into that case. So let's go ahead and take out our pieces here. Just lay those out. Okay. So if you notice, our panic button, lock and unlock. I'm going to try to do this so that you guys can see it right side up. So it's going to go like that. Okay. So panic's going to go there. Your unlock and your lock goes on top there. So let's go ahead, flip this upside down. And let's go ahead and put our buttons inside. So our lock goes down like that. Our unlock is going to go like so, and our panic button goes in like that. Okay, pretty easy, right? Okay, so let's get the other side, and might as well take this opportunity to clean this up. Okay, this is going to go like so. And our key, I guess it doesn't really matter which way it goes. Oops. Pain in the butt. Okay, our key then will go just like that. And it's a pretty snug fit. You can see there, no play whatsoever. So I'm going to don't think I'm gonna need those shims. So let's just go ahead, put that in there like so, and back case goes on like that. Okay, so I am noticing there is some play. You see that? Okay, that's no bueno. So I guess we do need the shims. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's go and take out our key, and let's go ahead and put our shim, this little piece right here. It's gonna go just like that. Okay, shim is in place. He gave us two, so we might need the second one. Let's see. Okay, let's put that in there like that. Okay, and there's still a little play. So let's go ahead and put the second shim in there. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay. Alright, key is back in. Alright. Oh yeah, much better. Once that's screwed down, that's not going to move anymore. Okay. Let's give it a little shake. Don't hear anything rattling, so I'm not going to need those pieces. Nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our screws. And let's tighten these down. Don't go super tight on these. It is plastic after all. And that's that. Wow. Buttons are working. And there you have it, guys. 2008-2014 FJ Cruiser, AJT design, molded key fob, made in the USA. This is the Heritage Blue color. On camera, probably looks more like cement, but damn, that feels good. Hope you guys like the video. It's my first time doing something like this, and if you guys like it, I might do more. Alright guys, take care.